Welcome back to my channel. We are back today with these amazing beautiful braids from Fabelle hair. Guys, I actually love their packaging. This is my favorite color, pink, and I love it. And also they're on Instagram. You can go search them, Fabelle_hair. As you can see here, I actually love this brand packaging and everything. So guys, without wasting your time, you can see it is well packaged. Your hair is going to be intact. So we are going to just open this together. As you can see here. Oh wow, this is amazing. This is a braid wig, burgundy color. Like the tips down are like in burgundy and the up are like a black colored hair. Wow, this is so nice. This is amazing, guys. A braided wig that comes with a burgundy wine color at the tips, like at the bottom, is giving, it's everything. It's giving that bohemian braid. I love it. I love the colors. The braids is so nice. Like, oh my god, this is beautiful. So let me show you guys the interior. Or before that, let me show you guys top of the braids here. As you can see, it's so nice. The braid is giving everything like a full scalp, natural hair, and all of that. And also the interior is giving everything here. It has an extra band to give it extra tight hold, and also you have these clips here to give it the tight hold by the two sides of your hair, just like a normal wig. And then you have one at the bottom and also one in the middle. This is full, like, I don't know what to say, and it's giving that full lace. Oh my god, this is a full lace, right? This is a round full lace. In case you want to do half up, half down, you can go ahead and install it. So guys, without wasting your time, you guys know how we install our front tags using our glue or spray, whichever thing you think you have. And then you cut off the lace, lay your edge. Come. So guys, as you can see, we have come to an end of this braid install. But I truly love this hair. Easy to install, like wear and go. As for me, you can actually do it glueless because it has this extra band at the back and the elastic band does two things at like in one hair. So like you can actually rock it glueless or you can rock it anyhow you want. But I prefer in both ways because you know I actually use the spray and I use the glue and the clips. The clips and the elastic band and the back, so it makes it more comfortable, more tight for me. And my hair is very, very like it holds so nice. And I love the baby hairs they did in front. It's giving details a bit, which I did there. And also the hair is giving everything. I actually went ahead and cut the lace in front. And also if you want to install the back, maybe you want to do like an afro, have that something like that. You can go ahead and use your glue to lay down the edges at the back, and then you're good to go to it to style it, maybe on depending on what style you want. This is so affordable, this is very comfortable, this is easy wear, this is easy go. I don't know what to say, like the hair is giving me this like cute vibe. This summer is giving everything already with this hair. And I love the length. This Fabelle, they came like with fire bomb, with everything with this hair. This hair is a vibe, it's lit, it's giving like a princess queen vibe. I love it. So guys, and I love the length also. The tips are giving. It has this kind of coily wavy hair. Like when you see the texture, as you can see here, it's giving everything. It's super soft. It seems like a human hair. It's super soft. I think it is. It's very soft. I love it. I love everything about it. And don't forget, this is coming from Fabelle hair. The packaging is giving everything. This is it right here. And also go find them out on Instagram at Fabelle_hair. As you can see here, more details about this company, about this hair will be right in the description box down below. You can style it whichever way you think you want, whichever like how you move this, or depend on your occasion. You can actually do an afro, wrap down, whatever thing you think you like. You can style it. It's all yours. You can do it however you want. As you can see here, I just wanted this way because I actually love rocking hairs like this. And if I want to go ahead and style it on up, I can just easily pack everything up like something like this, and then I am good to go. You can see it's giving that vibe already. I love this. Like, wow, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful, and it's super full. It holds very well with glue, with lace, with everything. The lace, okay guys. As for the lace, you can go ahead bleach it, but do not over bleach it. I use my powder because I wanted it to be mine, a bit to join like in my hairline, my natural scalp, my everything, as you can see. But the lace is perfect. I think it's an HT lace. It's blended perfect. So guys, Fabelle hair did this one, and I actually love everything about them. All details will be right in the description box down below. The direct hair link of this hair, all that hair they have in their store or in their website will be right in the description box down below. So guys, in case you're interested in this hair, use the link in like the direct link of this hair in the description box to purchase yours, and they are like very fast, very affordable, like everything is good. Thank you all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.